Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope that you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gerel, and in today's video we are going to be trying the new collection from Natasha Denona. I do have a code with Natasha Denona, which is a Gerel15, just in case you guys want to shop her site. You are able to get 15% off. It is an affiliated code, so thank you so much if you guys are using my codes or any affiliated links that I do have down below in the description area. Thank you so much for just supporting my channel and just being here, because it always goes back to this little space right here where I am trying to make up, reviewing the makeup for you guys. So I really truly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and try the new collection, which is called the Berry Pop Cheek Trio. I also have the lip liner and the lipstick as well. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get into it. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have not already, like and comment, because that definitely helps out my channel so much. You guys have no idea. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the Berry Pop Cheek Trio, and here is the box that it comes in. This retails for $48. It's made in Italy and it does have a shelf life of 18 months. Here we have the blushes and the highlighter. All right, and this is the information that we're getting from her website. It says that is inspired by the My Dream Cheek Trio. Natasha Denona presents a Berry Pop Cheek Trio, a stunning assortment of soft cranberry hues, blush, and highlighters in a lightweight, vegan formula designed to deliver radiant, flush cheeks. All right, so we do have a cream blush that is matte, the Tinted Glow base, which is the one in the middle, and then the Dream Glow highlighter, which is this one right here. So this one is matte. Let's go ahead and just swatch it. It is that creamy, oh my goodness, it feels like absolutely butter, like oil. It's so beautiful. Wow, that is so soft, but it does have like a soft matte finish to it as well. That is so weird. Okay, that is a beautiful formula. That is a really nice, beautiful formula, because to the touch it feels like super buttery, like it's going to be oily, but as you're swatching it, it actually turns into a matte powder. Very, very interesting. And that is me building it up right there. And this one is the Tinted Glow Cream base, and it does have that creaminess to it. That is beautiful. That is so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one is the Dream Glow. All right guys, so here we have the swatches, and I am super impressed, very, very happy. So I really did not know what to expect when it came to seeing it in person, but I am super wow. Even though it looks pigmented, I mean, I did build it up, and I am sure that you can really like take it out there. But if you are soft-handed with it, it's just going to look absolutely beautiful, like that little pop of rosiness on your cheeks. You can definitely build it up to be a little bit more like bold if that is your take on wearing blushes. But the formula is so beautiful, especially this one right here. Again, the formula is just like super buttery, but at the same time, when you start blending it, that butteriness kind of like goes away and starts turning into a matte powder. It is so insane, because I've never experienced anything like that, and that's exactly why I love Natasha Denona so much, because she gives us something new. Even like the feel of it, the feel of makeup, the finishes that she gives us is just so innovative, and I absolutely love her so much for that, because it just makes me so happy in the inside to talk to you guys about makeup. But when she gives us something like this, it makes me even happier. So yeah, I'm super pumped to like try it on the cheeks. But let me go ahead and just swatch the rest of the products just so you guys can see it, and then we're going to go ahead and demo it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here we have the Berry Pop Lip Crayon, and this retails for $24. And then we have the lipstick, which is the Berry Pop lipstick, and it retails for $27. And I absolutely love her packaging, just that it matches her whole entire collection. That is such like the way to do it for me. Let's go ahead and swatch this lipstick right here. I think that is going to be a really nice, beautiful complementary to the blushes. I don't wear colors like this. It's just so much fun to have them, and also, you know, for those special occasions, if I am feeling a little bit dairy, to be quite frank with you guys. But here we have the lip liner, which is just the perfect match for one another. So Really nice, beautiful, creamy, pigmented. So here we have the My Dream lipstick and lip liner, and whenever I'm wearing these two right here, you guys always compliment me on my lipstick. You guys always want to know what I am wearing. I absolutely love the packaging for this one as well. I mean, it is definitely not going to be the same. This one is more on the nudie side, and I didn't think that Natasha could create something so flattering on my skin tone, but yet it'd be a little bit more of a cool tone. I think that the lip liner has a little bit of warmth there, and maybe that is why. But seriously, I mean, this combo right here, I get absolutely like endless compliments whenever I am wearing this little combo right here. So I know that this is going to be bomb as well. So let's go ahead and now try all of these goodies because I can't wait. We have here the My Dream Cheek Trio, and here is the Berry Pop Cheek Trio. So you can see it side by side. They're definitely not even close to one another, which is amazing. Thank you so much for not giving us a repeat shade. So I am going to use this shade with the Refer 04 brush, but I don't want to go too overboard with it, so I'm just add a little bit at a time. So this is going to be the matte side. Okay, that's beautiful. So I'm not wearing any bronzer or anything like that, just so you guys can see it true to color. I did not want to add anything else on the skin besides just the blush. I usually wear my bronzer before applying blush, so it looks a little bit weird, but I still wanted to show it to you guys, and here is how it looks. Now I do feel like I apply a little bit too much, so I'm just going to go in with my foundation brush around it. And even though it's the matte shade, I do feel like I have a little bit of glow. But here is how the shade looks just by itself. I only applied this one, which is the cream blush. And now I'm going to apply this one right here, which is the Tinted Glow Cream Base. And I'm using a synthetic brush. Oh my gosh, I love this. So beautiful. And as you can see, it's not pulling any of my foundation or concealer or powder. It's just not pulling any of the makeup that I have underneath, and I love that so much. And you definitely want to use a synthetic brush when it comes to this blush right here, just because it's a little bit just because it's a little bit more creamy. Guys, I'm in love with this product. So beautiful. Okay, so here we have the middle shade. You can definitely stay on this side right here if you want a little bit more of a natural finish, but if you want a little bit of a glow, this one is gonna give it to you, because oh, look at that, so beautiful. All right, and now let's go ahead and use the highlighter. I'm going to use it on this side. Oh my goodness, look at that, so beautiful. No highlighter. Highlighter. Let me add the highlighter on top of this one right here so you guys can see. Okay, so here is the highlighter and the cream blush, and here is glow on top of glow. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful. So I do want to add a little bit of this one right here. Oh, a little too much. So just adding a little bit of this tinted glow cream base right on top of here, just to even things out, just to build up the color as well. And now going in with this blush right here, just adding a little bit more. Ooh, too much. All right guys, so let me just do a little something with the eyes very quickly. I'm going to take a little bit of this right here. That's really pigmented. I didn't want it that pigmented. Really blending it out. And now I'm going to add a little bit of this highlighter right here in the inner corner, just to top it off. Adding this shade right here, right in the center. I like that. Going back again with the highlighter. So the eyes are super simple, but I absolutely love how it just brings everything together as a monochromatic kind of look. And I don't know if this palette is safe to use on the eyes, so I'm not going to tell you to use it on the eyes. I'm just not sensitive when using face products on the eyes, so that's why I feel super fine using these type of products but do your own research. Just be safe. I don't think it's going to be like the best thing to use on the eyes just because they're cream products, so it is definitely going to crease. You might want to set it with something that is a little bit more mattifying, or just top off that so it doesn't move. But anyways, I am going to just leave it like this because I want to wear it. It looks so pretty. I went ahead and applied a little bit of mascara. I'm waiting for them to dry down so I can recurl my lashes. So let's go ahead and now apply the lipstick that I'm super excited for. Super pigmented. It glides like a dream, so just take your time. I'm going to blend it into the lips a little bit using my finger, just in case you don't know what I'm using. I hate when I say stuff like that. Okay, I think that it's even, but I know when I edit I'm gonna be completely wrong. But anyways, let's go ahead and now apply the lipstick. I love, 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 love her formula. So here is the lip liner and lipstick. I think that is such a beautiful color. I think that is definitely going to be suitable for a lot of skin tones. But let me know in the comment section down below if you are more on the lighter complexion or deeper complexion. If you purchase this lip liner and lipstick, how are you loving it? Are you really liking it? Does it flatter your skin tone? Let us know in the comment section down below so we can help each other out. Anyway, let me go ahead and gather my thoughts and recurl my lashes, and I'll show you the final look and my final thoughts in regards of this collection. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and talk about the Berry Pop collection from Natasha Denona. And here are my overall thoughts when it comes to this collection. Let's go ahead and start with the Berry Pop Cheek Trio. I think the packaging is absolutely stunning. Formula, you guys already know, it was like such a beautiful formula from the beginning. I love the way that it applied to the skin. I love that you can customize it to your liking. So if you want something a little bit more glowy, you do have those options right here with these two. If you want something a little bit more on the natural side, we have this blush right here. It is definitely pigmented, buildable, blendable, very, very nice and beautiful. I love what it did to my cheeks, even without any bronzer whatsoever. It just looks really nice and put together. I can see myself just wearing this makeup. It looks really nice and sophisticated in my opinion, just because it is really nice and monochromatic, and you can definitely wear it with like a black top, with a white top. Like, you can just wear this makeup and not feel like you are overdoing it, just again because all of the colors complement each other so well. Again, monochromatic look. Yeah, I'm really excited to see other reviews, other girls that have different skin tones than mine, lighter skin tones, deeper skin tones, and just to see how it actually shows up on their skin. But I love it. I absolutely love it. I think that is so beautiful. And the lip liner and lipstick, I think that this duo right here is so beautiful, especially if you are getting this. I think that this is just going to like be the cherry on top, just to finish off your look and just make it complete. Of course, you don't have to buy these two shades right here. If you already have something in your collection, something that is similar to this shades, and of course you can use that as well. But I absolutely love Natasha Denona's formula. The lip liner, the lipstick, they are just really nice and nourishing on the lips. It's not matte, it's not super shiny, it's just right there in the middle. It's so comfortable on the lips. I know that they are very nice and long lasting, especially the lip liners. I mean, if you just put this all over your lips, you know that it's going to wear off really nicely. So I'm really happy with these two shades. It's definitely not something that I'm going to be reaching for a lot, just because this type of shades it's just not my color. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not going to be wearing it every single day, but for those special occasions or just for a pop of like berry tones, I can definitely see myself reaching for this one, just because I absolutely love the Natasha Denona formula. So to sum it up, I pretty much love this whole entire collection. As you can see, I'm really excited to be reviewing these products and just be so happy about them, because they apply and they look absolutely beautiful on the skin. Even though I have a code with Natasha Denona, which is a Gerel 15, that will give you 15% off. I'm just letting you guys know so you guys can use my code. Yes, it helps out my channel. You are absolutely not obligated to use it whatsoever. And I am not going to be pushing products on you guys if I don't truly love it. And you guys know how much I love Natasha Denona. So the fact that I have a code on top of it, it is amazing. I did purchase all of these products with my own money. It's not just the fact that I do have a code with Natasha Denona that they send me products. It doesn't work out like that. I will never recommend anything to you guys if I truly don't believe that it's worth your money. So just, you know, making sure that you guys know that. I'm sure you guys know that, but I'm just making sure that you guys know that. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and I will see you next time.